Homomorphism. This is a topic related to homomorphism. First property we will try to prove. First of all, what is the homomorphism of groups? Let G, comma O and G dash O dash are the groups. Now, what is G? G is a one group and G dash is another group. And O is a operation related to G, and O dash is also a operation related to G dash. Then the mapping from G to G dash, right? It will be always one to one, right? Uh, Here the the G can be called domain and G dash can be called codomain. So then the mapping is called homomorphism from G to G dash if this condition, that is f a operation B is equal to f a operation O dash B, where A and B are the elements related to G, and FA and FB are the elements related to G dash. Means basically A and B are the elements of G, you can say, and F and B, FA and FB are the elements related to G dash, right? And accordingly, operations are if the G is a group, the operation is O, and if G dash is the group, operation is O dash, right? Means, or in a nutshell, you can say all dashes are related to uh, G dash basically, right? Without dash is G. This in nutshell we can say, right? Now, two properties are there related to homomorphism. Two important properties. These are the two property which we will try to prove. That one is Fe equal to E dash, where you can see in nutshell what is E. E is without dash, that belong to G dash, G sorry, and E dash. We have to prove that equal to G dash, E dash, F E dash equal to Fe, means E dash or Fe are equal and they are related to the group G dash. This we have to prove. Now, this is basically the first proof. Uh, let we suppose that A and B, A and B are the elements related to G. Okay, then Fa and Fb will be elements related to G dash, right? Now, but now let's suppose that Fa operation E dash is equal to what? Now you can see here. You see here Fa operation E dash. What is E dash? E dash is the identity element related to G dash group. E dash is identity element. So if identity element is there, what will be the answer? Answer will be Fa operation O dash identity element. It will be Fa only, nothing else, right? Okay. Now this is a trick you can say. Now you can say Fa O dash E dash as such. Now what A operation Fa can be written as Fa operation E. Now here E is an anti-element, right? E is an anti-element to G only. So we can write in the bracket also. So Fa can be written as this FaOE. Okay. Now since we know that as per the property of homomorphism, what is that property? Fa operation B will be equal to what? That will be equal to Fa operation O dash Fb, right? This is the meaning. So it means this FAOBE can be written this way also, because as per the definition of homomorphism, FA operation E can be written as FA operation O dash FE. Why? Because we know that FA operation O E as B, right? Then this can be split up equal to what? FA operation O dash FP. So this can be split up to what? It can be FA O dash, because this is O dash. So E can be written as FE, right? It means in nutshell you can say this part will be equal to what? This part. So FA operation O dash E dash will be equal to what? It will be FA O dash FE. So if you see this line, by cancellation law, from this one, this will be cancelled. FA. What will be left? Left will be FE will be equal to E dash. This we want to prove. This was the first property. Again, I am repeating. We know that A and B are the elements, right? These are the elements related to group G. Accordingly, FA, FB will be the elements related to G dash. Now suppose FA operation O dash E dash, we are taking O dash because we are taking FA. Only this in, that's nothing else. Now because E dash is a identity element, so it means this if you take the operation, this will be FA as such. No change will be there. So FA operation O dash E dash will be equal to what? FA only. Now again, this is a trick. So FA can be written in what way? We can write FA in this way also, because E is identity element. So A multiplied by identity element, right? But it will be FA operation, right? E. It will not change. It will remain as A because E is identity element. So now what? FA O dash E dash will be equal to what? This one. Now applying the homomorphism on this relation, what will be the answer? So FA operation O dash E dash will be equal to what? FA as such. FA O will be O dash because as per the property, right? So E can be written as FB. It is here. Here we write FE. Now by applying the cancellation law, FA will be cancelled. So E dash will be equal to what? That will be equal to FE. That was the first property related to homomorphism. Thank you.